My name is Vihar Singh, and in this video I will be discussing the question set 29 of DBMS question sets day 8. Once again, I will be using the same scenario of question set 16, and as well as I will be using the same set of data which was used in question set 18. Let's go to our PDF. The first question: convert all the marks obtained by the students in the first term into int. This should be the relevant query for the first question. We have inner join the exam mark record table and the exam term table, and we have given the condition term name equal first term. Let's execute the query. The answer would be like this. Let's move to the next question. The question number 2. Question number 2: find the average of marks obtained by the students. Find the average of the marks obtained by students in the first term for mathematics in 2 decimal places. So let's type the relevant query for that as well. So this would be our second query. We have taken the average mark and we have taken the average to 2 decimal places. As you can see, we have inner joined the student exam mark record table with the exam term table. Then we have inner joined the subject table, and lastly we have mentioned our condition. Let's execute our query. So this would be our answer. So the third question: what is the lowest mark? Which means we have used the keyword mean. The lowest mark obtained for science in both the examinations by all students in grade level A. So this would be our third query relevant to the third question. We have derived the minimum mark obtained by grade level A students for the subject science. For that we have inner joined the student table with the student exam mark record table, and then we have inner joined subject table, and lastly the class table, and this should be our condition part. Let's execute our query. As you can see, the minimum mark is 23.5. Let's move on to the fourth question. Find the average. Once again we have used the keyword AVG. Find the average of the marks obtained by Ananta Moses in second term for mathematics, science and Sinhala language and literature. So this would be our fourth query. We have used the keyword AVG in order to derive the average of the set of marks. Moving on, we have inner joined the student table with the student exam mark record table, so we can access the ID of Ananda Moses. And then we have inner joined the exam term table, as they have mentioned us about the marks that she has obtained for the second term. Then we have inner joined the subject table, as they have mentioned us the subjects, and then you can see our condition. Let's execute our query. As you can see, our average mark is 88.62666666666666 and so on. Let's move on to the fifth question. Find the average, which means we have used the keyword AVG once again. Find the average of marks obtained by the students in grade level A for the second term examination in 2 decimal places. This will be our fifth query. We have derived the average of marks. Then we have taken that mark into 2 decimal places. That's why we have used the keyword round and the digit 2, so we can round it off to 2 decimal places. Furthermore, we have inner join the student exam mark report table, the subject table, then the class table, and lastly with the exam term table, and as you can see, we have um, mentioned our class name as 8 as well as the exam term name as second term in terms of our condition. Let's execute it as well. So you can see the answer is 76.52. So that would be the end of the questions and discussion of 29 as well. Thank you.